It's almost dinner time, so I'm gonna have to make this quick. But here's a 16-inch Lasko table fan with gray blades. These are pretty hard to find from what I understand. Well, at least the 16-inch ones are. I actually have two. The other one's a Galaxy, and it's really beat up. It was on my old channel. This one's actually in pretty good shape, though. Unfortunately, it didn't come with any cage clips, so I only have 4, so it kind of rattles. Hopefully I can find some more. There's the side of it. That part's kind of yellowed, but it's not that big a deal. And the knob. Also, for some reason the head doesn't want to point up. Like, you can't tilt it up or down. Anyway, I'll turn it on now. It's 3 speeds, and it's pretty powerful. You can hear it start for a while now. And high. This button doesn't want to press sometimes too. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.